we all are built to think that we're quite selfish if we're not putting partners first, co-parenting first, our babies first. We're always fighting that battle that we'll look selfish, but if we can't look after ourselves, we can't look after anyone else. So it's really important that you have your own time, because people have babies, and then, you know, when we talk from a men's health perspective, the dad's bod kicks in because we're not exercised as much, we're not doing this, and life changes, but dad should still be able to go out for a walk or go for a jog or get back to playing their sport. And obviously with my remit in sports development, that's part of what we promote.
Yeah, and I think it's called For Dads by Dads. It is looked at as a program for dads. But the reality is, if dads are kind of supported and they're given education and they are put in the best place where they can be the best dad they can possibly be, it benefits their children, it benefits their partners, and actually benefits the rest of society as well. So actually trying to kind of, you know, have a resource like this and kind of make the most of it is incredibly important right across the board. You know, it's a program for everyone, not just for dads. Like, everyone gets to benefit from this.